Hey there, entrepreneurs. Welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Zena Launchpad, the podcast designed to fuel your journey into the world of successful online selling. I'm your host, Akhil Suresh Nair, the founder and CEO of Zena Intelligence, the AI powered e commerce growth platform. Today, we are diving into a topic that's the backbone of any e-commerce venture, the top 10 tips to sell online like a pro. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your strategy, stick around for some insights backed by data that will take your online sales to the next level. First is choosing your online niche. You've got that entrepreneurial itch, but before you start selling, let's talk about tip number 1. Figure out what you want to sell. In a world where you can sell anything from artisanal pickles to high-tech gadgets, finding your niche is crucial. Look at the Amazon's bestsellers list for inspiration. It's like window shopping for the digital age. Analyze price points, reviews, and seasonality to identify products that resonate with your audience and make your brand stand out. 2. Sourcing strategies. Alright, tip number 2 is source products. Now that you have a product in mind, how will you get it? Will you craft it yourself or partner with a manufacturer? Take the time to research suppliers and consider factors like quality, price, and delivery times. And remember, fulfillment by Amazon is a great option to streamline your operations while selling on Amazon. 3rd is choosing sales channels. In tip number 3. Your product is ready to roll, but where will you showcase it? Your own website, Amazon, social media, these are the most popular options. Different platforms cater to typically different audiences, so choose wisely. An Amazon storefront, for example, not only provides payment processing, but also analytics dashboard to track your performance. 4th is counting the costs. Tip number 4 is check listings and selling fees. Selling online comes with costs, listing fees, selling fees, payment processing fees. They can all add up pretty fast. So whether you're an individual seller or a professional, make sure you're aware of the fees associated with your chosen platform. The 5th is shipping strategies. Let's talk about the next tip. How will you handle shipping? Remember, free delivery is a game changer for customers. So whether you're shipping internationally or sticking to a local radius, factor in shipping costs and delivery times to keep those customers smiling. On to tip number 6, take good photos. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and in e-commerce, it speaks thousands of dollars. Good lighting, plain background, and multiple angles can make your products shine. You could even throw in a video to help customers visualize the product. Don't forget, great visuals can boost your sales and reduce returns. Tip number 7, be descriptive. Your product listings are your 24/7 sales rep. They need to provide clear, concise information that guides potential buyers towards a purchase. Avoid jargon, use SEO best practices, and highlight features and benefits. Moving on to tip number 8, research the right selling price. Finding the sweet spot between enticing prices and profitable margins is an art. Analyze competitor pricing, use tools like Amazon Seller App, and set dynamic prices based on market demand. Tip number 9, package items with care. Your product's journey doesn't end once it leaves your hands. Make sure it arrives in perfect condition or near perfect condition. Packaging specialists from Fulfilled by Amazon can help out, or if you're doing it yourself, ensure the right size, cushioning, sealing, and labeling, even if you're using a 3PL. And finally, tip number 10, focus on delighting your customers. The heart of e-commerce success is customer satisfaction. Monitor and respond to reviews, offer personal touches, and reward repeat customers. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer. And there you have it, e-commerce pioneers, our top 10 tips to sell online like a pro. Whether you're a startup or a seasoned seller, these insights will give your online venture the boost it deserves. I am Akhil Suresh Nair, signing off from Zena Launchpad. Keep those entrepreneurial spirits high, and until next time, happy selling.